Mastering phrasal verbs. Dual meaning dominators. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of phrasal verbs. Specifically, we'll look at those tricky little verbs that have multiple meanings. We will practice using them in conversation, so you can enhance your English fluency. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First off, phrasal verbs are phrases that consist of a verb and one or more additional words, usually a preposition or adverb. These additional words give the verb a new, often unexpected meaning. But today, we're not just talking about any phrasal verbs, we're talking about phrasal verbs with multiple meanings. Yes, you heard it right. Some phrasal verbs can have 2, 3, or even more meanings, depending on the context. For instance, the phrasal verb, turn up, could mean to arrive, or to increase the volume, depending on how it's used. Confusing? Don't worry, we'll demystify this with examples and exercises. Let's take a look at some examples. 1. Get up. This could mean to rise from bed, or to stand from a seated position. E.g., I usually get up at 7 a.m., or, please, get up from the chair. 2. Break down. This could mean to stop functioning, or to lose control of one's emotions. E.g., my car broke down on the highway, or he broke down in tears after hearing the news. 3. Look up. This could mean to search for information, or to have an improved situation. E.g., you should look up the word in a dictionary, or things are starting to look up for us. Now, let's move on to our speaking exercises. Here's how it works. I'll give you a sentence with a phrasal verb. You repeat the sentence and try to come up with a new sentence using the same phrasal verb in a different context. 1. I need to get up early tomorrow for a meeting. Now, try to make a sentence where get up means to stand. 2. The project broke down due to lack of funds. Now, try to make a sentence where break down means losing control of emotions. 3. You can look up the definition online. Now, try to make a sentence where look up refers to an improved situation. Remember, the goal here is to familiarize yourself with the different ways these phrasal verbs can be used. Don't worry if you make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. And that wraps up our session on phrasal verbs with multiple meanings. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to incorporate these verbs into your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more comfortable you'll get. Keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Until next time, happy learning!